basic salt, replaceable OH minus ion, means salt produced by the incomplete neutralization of a base by the acid is known as basic salt. These are generally insoluble in water. For example, Pb का whole OH का whole twice plus HNO3 equal to Pb OH NO3 plus H2O. And the next is mixed salt. Mixed salt, which have more than one type of cation and anion. And the next one is double salt. These salts are formed by the intimate association of two simple salts when crystallized form a solution of a mixture of two. For example, potassium alum, Mohr salt, etc. or formed by the evaporation of aqueous solution of two simple salt. For example, potassium alum. Potassium alum means K2SO4 Al2SO4 का thrice 24H2O. और Mohr salt FeSO4 NH4 का twice SO4 6H2O. तो for example, K2SO4 potassium sulfate plus Al2SO4 का thrice plus 24H2O. Potassium sulfate, aluminum sulfate and water 24H2O. And the reaction is SO4 Al2SO4 thrice 24H2O, and that is the potash alum. And the next one is complex salt. The salt that dissociate in water to give one simple ion and one complex ion are called the complex salt, or these are stable in solution as well as solid state. For example, K4FeCN irreversible reaction. Reversible 4K plus FeCN 6 4 minus, that is the potassium ferrocyanide, potassium ion and the ferrocyanide ion. These are the double mixed salt, double salt and complex salt.